Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my favorite go-to snacks. These Southern recipe small batch pork rinds are so delicious. The sea salt and cracked black pepper are a family favorite. We absolutely enjoy not only the flavor, but also that they are gluten-free and they just have a wonderful gourmet taste of, you get that salt, that pepper, even a little bit of like a bacon flavor. And it's wonderful because sometimes you're just looking to snack and you want something nice and crunchy, but these are keto friendly. So you don't have the guilt that you would with maybe a potato chip or something else, but you do definitely get all of that flavor. I mean, look at them. Oh my goodness. Wow, the crunch on these is amazing. I'm telling you, with collagen in each serving and it being keto friendly, all around, this is going to be your go-to snack. They're so good. So if you love a good salty, crunchy snack with a little less guilt, you will love these sea salt and cracked black peppercorn pork rinds. And that's my point of view.